Hello and welcome back to this course. In our previous video, we have discussed about the byte array output stream, and in this video, we will discuss about the byte array input stream. You can see that byte array input stream is present at the second position in the input stream child classes. So let's see what is a byte array input stream. So the byte array input stream class allows a buffer in the memory to be used as an input stream. In the byte array output stream, we use the buffer for the output stream, and in this byte array input stream class we use the buffer in memory to use as the input stream. So the byte array input stream class extends the input stream class, so we know that already. Now these are the methods that are present in the byte array input stream class. First of all, we have the read method. This method reads the next byte of data from the input stream, return an int as the next byte of the data. If it is the end of the file, then it returns -1. So this method basically helps us to read the next byte of data in the input stream. If it is the end of the file, then it simply returns -1. Next, we have the overloaded version of the read method, in which you have the 3 parameters. So this method reads up to len number of bytes starting from the off from the input stream into an array. Returns the total number of bytes read. If it is the end of the file, -1 will be returned. So this is the overloaded version of the read method that help us to read length number of bytes starting from the off, which we specify in the arguments when we call this function. So this method will returns the total number of bytes that are read, and if it is the end of file, then it simply returns -1. Next, we have the available method. Its return type is integer, int. So it gives the number of bytes that can be read from the file input stream, returns an int that give number of bytes to be read. So this method basically gives us the number of bytes that we can read from the file input stream. So it is also a useful method in the byte array input stream. Next, we have the skip method. This method skips n number of bytes from the stream. This returns the actual number of bytes skipped. So this method basically skips n number of bytes from the stream. So now let's write our code in our NetBeans to have better understanding that how we can use the byte array input stream class in Java. So in our previous video, we have write this code to write our data in the stream. Now I am going to add some additional lines in this code. So after that, I type here byte array input stream and bi equals to new byte array input stream. Okay, and in this, and I import the byte array input stream class. Okay, and now you can see the error. We have to pass some arguments, so I type here b, which is the array here. So after that, I type here for int I equals to 0, I less than 1, and I plus plus, and in the body I type here while, and I type here I declare variable outside it int c for the character. So while c is equal to bi dot read not equals to -1. Okay, and in the body of the while loop I type here system dot out dot println, and I type here character c. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see hello 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 on the screen. So in this way, we can use the ByteArrayInputStream class. Anyhow, if you feel any problem while understanding the methods of the ByteArrayInputStream, you can definitely ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.